Hi, my name is Benjamin. Today I'll be presenting my game E-Track. E-Track is a platform game in which you drive a car between different obstacles. The objective of E-Track is to get to the end of the 2 levels where the game starts over again. E-Track is never ending. You'll also start over again if you fall below the levels that are in the script. The main parts of E-Track are the player, landscape features, and the scripts. The sports car, the main player, is composed of the player control script and the physics. Let's go into the player control script. Here, there's a variety of functions written in C# code to help bring this script together. For example, this visualize wheel method updates the position and rotation of the wheel on the green sports car based on the wheel's colliders, also in the sports car. Also, there's this very important move function. This move function controls the car's movement. This function adjusts steering angle, motor features, and brake rolls for each wheel. This is necessary because it helps the car move in the wanted direction. On line 127, there's also this function called stick to the ground. This stick to the ground function applies downward force, also known as gravity, to the car to improve grip. This grip allows the vehicle to stay put and not fall off the ground. If there wasn't this stick to the ground method, the car would fall off the map or go in very unpredictable speeds. Also below the stick to the ground function, there is a manage speed function. This manage speed function limits the car's speed to the maximum value, which is set at about 300 miles per hour. This is so the car does not go very, very slow or very, very fast once you press the controls. Finally, there is an update. This void update function updates the speed display text and also checks if the car has fallen below a certain height. The update method is necessary because it makes sure that the car is up to date and not doing things that are not put on the script. It improves gameplay and the visuals. Next, let's dive into the other features of E-Track. Here we have the environment, which is composed of the sky, and there are many trees in the background, as you can see. Next, there's also this canvas, which holds the level 2 text, and also the speedometer and the game manager. The speedometer helps track your speed in miles per hour, which will be later shown in the gameplay. These cubes are basically just obstacles with some wood outline. There are many of these cubes. In addition to the road, there are also little ramps where the car can do tricks. These ramps are also very important. See, this ramp right here, small ramp number 7, helps propel the car forward onto the next platform, also known as the next level. There are 6 of these here. Next, there's this car camera that shows the car and where it's at. And then of course, there are all these other features like buildings, rocks, terrains that make up this game. Okay, the moment you've all been waiting for. I'll now show some gameplay of each track. The controls are WASD, which help the car drive forward, reverse, backwards, travel right and left. As you can see here, the speedometer is right above the car, showing how fast I'm going. The more you press W, the faster it goes. You could press S to help it slow down, or the space button. Oh, I have fallen off the map and the game has reset it, just like how I put it in the code. I've now hit an obstacle. These obstacles slow down the car. And I've fallen off again. That was some of my game E-Track's gameplay. This is my project E-Track. Thanks for following along.